Hello everyone and welcome back to Rudy Having Fun. I'm Rudy and today we're at Knott's Berry Farm for Taste of Boysenberry Festival. And I'm hungry, so let's get right to it. You ready to have some fun? Alright, so just like that, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna dig right in. I worked today at 3 a.m. So it's been a long day for me already, and I'm starving. I brought my appetite today. Started out over in Ghost Town by the Ghost Rider at the wagon wheel. First thing that jumped out at me was this carne asada pizza and the boysenberry pie, which brings up an interesting question. What exactly is a boysenberry? So I was thinking about it on the ride over here. And boysenberry, off of Wikipedia, is a cross among the European raspberry, the European blackberry, American dewberry, and the loganberry. That's a whole nother rabbit hole we can go down. I don't know what the heck those are either. But it is a large berry with large seeds and a deep maroon color. Just for reference. That's what it looks like right there. So let's dig into this and see what it's like. Damn, that's good. Definitely worth the wait. Probably waited 20 minutes in line over there in the switchback lines for the Ghost Rider just to get this thing. Also, while I was waiting, one of the people that was taking care of like an employee that was taking care of the lines told me that they had a special item off menu. It's a boysenberry ravioli in Alfredo sauce. They had just ran out when I was there, but I might go back for it later. This is a straight 10 out of 10, I'll tell you right now, fire. I literally can't get over how good that pizza was. Alright, here's the boysenberry pie. Oh man. That's another 10 out of 10 right there. It's way busier today, by the way. Maybe it's because it's, I don't know. I think I came on a weekend last time. Well, I'm batting 100 right now, or 1,000. Batting 1,000. Because this is another 10, for sure. Just need a little ice cream. That's the only thing that can make this better. So for those of you who are watching this that don't know, which I can't imagine anybody who'd be watching this wouldn't already know this, but just in case, this is Knott's Taste of Boysenberry Festival. There's a $45 ticket for admission. You get in, you get access to the entire park, any entertainment, and then you get this tasting card. It gives you 5 tastings. There's multiple spots that you can go to pick up food. Tons of variety at each spot. However, there are duplicate spots just to manage crowds. Too much stuff to list off. I'd recommend going to the website and looking because they have nice pictures and descriptions of all the items that they're offering. But man, I'll tell you right now, you gotta try the pizza and the boysenberry pie. Delicious. Look at this right here. For $20, you can have your very own boysenberry plant. sure most of you have heard the recent news about California relieving some of the restrictions on theme parks to where they are allowed to open at limited capacity starting April 1st. So it won't be long until we can be riding on that bad boy right over there. So I hear. Anyways, still not quite clear whether or not they're going to allow indoor rides or not, but I've got my fingers crossed. And right behind me here is my next taste. It's popcorn with boysenberry butter. Alright, well, I found a nice quiet little spot over here by the entrance to Hang Time. You can see right behind me there's a little bit of a track, and I'm about to try the boysenberry buttered popcorn. Butter's a little thick. I don't even know if you can call that butter, really. I don't really know exactly what that is, but they are calling it butter. Let's give it a try. Interesting. That is an interesting flavor. I don't know how to describe that. It's good. I mean, it's kind of like sweet and savory, you know? I like it, man. So far, they've been nailing it on everything pretty much. So, I was thinking as I was walking over here, this is like my third time here now, and probably at least 6 months, but I want to say more like 3 or 4. And before that, I haven't been here since they still had the corkscrew. That was like the first roller coaster I ever rode. And that doesn't even exist anymore. I mean, that might have still been the 80s the last time I was here before I started going to these festivals. And they've impressed me so much with what they've done with these and how they've handled the whole pandemic. And I'm thinking, I'm going to start coming here more often. Alright, so I guess we gotta rate this. Ah, man, it's tough. It's not really like, you can't really compare it to whole. Like, what do you compare it to? I'll give it an 8. Strong 8, like 8.5. It's good. But it's not great, right? So, boysenberry buttered popcorn. 2 thumbs up. Alright, after waiting in line and talking to the lady at the counter, she showed me what the ceviche looked like, and she showed me the shrimp tacos. I decided to go with the shrimp tacos. I gotta say, they look pretty good. 3 large pieces of shrimp and some chips. They're good, but they lack that kick. There's not a lot of kick to it. So if you like spice, this isn't gonna scratch your itch. By the way, Fiesta what's it called, the Fiesta area. Always has the live DJ here playing upbeat music. Might be my favorite. This and the boardwalk are probably my favorite areas. Anyways, tacos, they're average. Honestly, average, maybe 7 out of 10. Eventually I'm going to come up with a better rating system, more original, but for now, let's just go standard 1 through 10, 7 out of 10. Just taking a stroll down here by the Pony Express along Calico Rapids. Looks like they've got one of the animatronics going. Bear's still out here grinding, catching that trout. That bear's on the grind, man. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick it up, but got a really nice looking sunset tonight. Let's see if I can get that. As the sun sets over the Pony, goddamn, what's it called? The Pony Express. Last time I was here, you couldn't walk back this way. I don't even know where I am anymore. I'm lost. As I'm roaming around, still looking for my 5th item, at this point feeling like a zombie since I've been up since 2 in the morning, I just noticed that everything's lit up like a boysenberry. And going back to boysenberry and what a boysenberry is, I happened to notice a sign earlier that stated that some dude named Boysen was the creator of the boysenberry, and then Mr. Knott picked up the boysenberry, grew a small batch, and it ended up taking off and being one of his most popular items to this day, one of the most popular items from Knott's Berry Farm. So, if you don't know, now you know. Alright, so I finally came to a decision after doing at least 4 laps around the park. And, you know, I wanted to get the ceviche, the elote. I was looking at the hamburger, which is, where is it here? Cheeseburger with boysenberry onion spread on a brioche bun. I may have made a mistake here because that still sounds pretty good, but I went with the apple and chicken sausage with boysenberry mustard and a boysenberry bun. Let's see if I can. Look at that bun. It's boysenberry colored with the chicken apple sausage. Boysenberry mustard. We got, oh, I just ruined it. I mean, look at these plates. They even have boysenberries on them. I love boysenberries now. Wish I had better light, but it's all dark out here right now. There you go. Anyways. A little mustard. Alright, I still have to rate this thing. I'm still trying to kind of figure out what I think about it, but honestly, it's not that great. Even with the mustard, it doesn't really give it any kind of special flavor or anything like that. It's a pretty basic, you know, sweet bun with, you know, really a sweet sausage, and then, you know, even the mustard's sweet. I don't know. There's the flavor combinations aren't really anything that special. So I would say probably just average 7 out of 10 again. I don't know if it was because I was so hungry when I first got here, but man, that pizza Woo! It was so good. I seriously wanted to go back and get another one. But for you guys, I got this.
What the song is about, it's about loving someone tenderly, so instead of brutally. It's called Love Me Tender. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. Love me tender, love me long, and take me to your heart. For it's there that I belong, and we'll never part.
Ladies and gentlemen, Crazy Kirk and the Hillbillies.
Lead players, that's Rick Story and.
All right, everybody. That was a nice way to end the video with Crazy Kirk and the Hillbillies. I got a full belly, and it's been a long day, so I'm gonna wrap this thing up. I'm gonna talk to these ladies real quick and head back to the room and call it a night. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and it would really help if you could subscribe to the channel and help me grow. If not, that's cool too. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace.